Welcome to this quick tutorial. This is all just to give you an idea of how to embed your offering tree offerings into an existing website. So here I've logged into offering tree and you can see down the side we've got all these awesome things to have a play with. We're just going to be focusing on this offerings and schedule section today. So you can see I've got my one yin yoga offering at the moment. If we just hit create offering, and then you can add a new category depending on what it is, put its name in. So I've got yin yoga 60 minutes, whatever you would like it to be there. Correct description, price, you can upload an image, and then if you hit create, I'll say test $4. Create. And then it'll guide you through like, what do you want to do with your offering? Do you want to schedule it? Do you want to include it in a membership pack? Do you want to set up one-on-one appointments? So, however that looks for you, just follow the prompts. We'll hit schedule your offering. It'll take you to the schedule. And then, like, as you can see, I've put it in here for my Wednesday class. If we're adding this new one, you could schedule a series, schedule an offering, block off some time. Just pick however it looks for you. And then if we schedule the offering, you can see you've got all of the details to put the dates and the time and is it repeat, address, all your payment and everything in there. I'll just go to my existing one to show you. So you've got two options. You probably have a few more, but two options that I'll show you today on how to embed it into your website, and this will depend on how you would like it to look. So I'll quickly jump over and show you. This is my website. So I just have a landing page all about yin yoga and about the class. And then if you hit book your spot, I have a bit more payment information, and then I've included this schedule, and then people can hit register to schedule for which class they would like on which day. If you want them to, they can, once they like log in, they then have the option to book multiple classes at the same time, but they can start with just this one. So we can hit embed this on your site, and it's just really easy. You've got this code here, click copy, and now this bit will look a little bit different depending on your website builder, but you want to and show it, we're going to embed some code. So you'll see that here. We copy and paste it, hit save, and then that will, oops, that's my extra one. And then that will populate this here. And then you want to show it, make it as big as the section that you want it to fill. So that it doesn't cut off. So that part you'll have to just check if you're using a different website builder how you embed the HTML code, but it'll be some kind of block system and add HTML code there, and you just use this custom code. So super easy. You also have the option, you can change how it looks as well. So if you have quite a busy week, you can have the weekly schedule, or you could even have the daily schedule here like this. So you can change that, but they can change that as well here. So it's just which one you want the default to be. You can set that in there depending on your look and what you would like. I only have one class, so this one kind of made the most sense. And the other option, if we go back to offerings, we can go edit, and we've got this embed this offering onto your site. So this is really great for one-offs, or if you just want that. So if we copy that, exactly the same, copy to clipboard, I will add a new section, just drag this down so we have some space, and we go embed code. Got that here. Control V, save. Where's it gone? It's up there. and you've got it in that format as well. And you've got a list of all of the upcoming class times below it. So a couple of different options depending on how the look you like. Pretty much the setup in terms of the scheduling and how people register is the same. It's just how you want it to be presented on your website and in which format. So if you've got multiple classes, yeah, any of them really will work. It just depends on what you like. I'll go ahead, delete that, reset my website. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you.